Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play story mode on Warzone. It's important to understand that Warzone does not have a classic, dedicated story campaign like many other Call of Duty games. Instead, its rich narrative unfolds through a continuous, evolving storyline that connects with the broader Call of Duty universe. This story is delivered through seasonal updates, in-game events, and captivating cinematics, offering a unique way to experience the lore. You can engage with Warzone's story through various in-game activities. Each new season brings significant narrative advancements, often tied to new maps or major map changes. Look out for special in-game events that provide unique missions and objectives, directly impacting the ongoing plot. Additionally, collecting intel scattered across the maps offers valuable insights into the lore, expanding your understanding of the universe. To truly experience the story, actively participate in Warzone's live events. These are often time-limited and feature unique objectives that push the narrative forward, sometimes even leading to dramatic map transformations. For example, past events have seen Verdansk nuked or new islands introduced. Completing these missions not only advances the story, but also grants exclusive in-game rewards, making your participation feel impactful. To stay fully immersed in Warzone's evolving narrative, make sure to watch all the in-game cinematics that typically bookend each season. These high-quality videos provide crucial story beats and character interactions. Also, keep an eye on official Call of Duty social media and websites for developer insights and lore drops. Joining community discussions can also enhance your understanding, as players often piece together complex plot details.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.